Bags.
The bags.
A big bag.
A big bag.
Met a little bag.
Met a little bag.
The big bag
A big bag man
said,
said,
let's go eat.
let's go eat.
So the big bag,
A big bag man
ate a leaf
eat a leaf
and a nut and a rock.
and a rat and a rock.
The big bag
A big bag man said,
that is how big bugs eat.
the big bag man eats.
The little bug said,
A little bag said,
now I will eat.
now I will eat in dinner.
So the little bug
A little bag man
ate a leaf
eat a leaf
and a nut
and a nut
and a rock.
and a rock.
Then the little bug
And a little bag
went to a log
went in a log
and beat the log.
and beat the log.
She ate the log.
She ate a log.
Then she ate 10 more logs.
He ate more logs.
Wow!
Wow, it's so nice.
The big bug said.
A big bag man said,
That little bug
a little bag man
can eat a lot.
and can eat a ant.
The little bug said,
The little bag said,
now let's eat more.
now let's eat more.
Next pa.
Okay na.
Wala na?
Ay, wait lang.
Tuloy lang na.
Wait lang.
Maganda kung nababasa ni Clay.
Tapos na.
Okay. Aryan, how old are you?
10. 11 na. Dito ko.
Grade na.
I will eat you.
Section.
I will eat you dinner.
5 Ruby.
Clay, how old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
Hey.
I will eat in dinner kay ate.
Anong, how old are you na?
I'm 5 years old. Then I will eat.
What section are you?
I'm Clay. Then I will
Next
cook.
section. Anong section mo na?
Prep your guard. What's your dinner? Say it.
What's your dinner?
I'm cooking Aryan.
Yeah?
Then I will eat ate.
Ha?
Then I will taste good.
Anong date ngayon, Aryan?
I will eat you dinner.
February 19.
Anong oras na?
49.
49?
8:22.
8:22?
No, 49. Don't lie.
Don't lie. Oh.
Yeah. Daddy kasi.
Okay, bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.